everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Teams error. We cannot find a required components to run team when you're trying to open Microsoft Teams. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to make registry changes and then try to reinstall Microsoft Edge WebView. To do this, you will have to open the Registry Editor. You can do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you may go ahead and type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you're on the Registry Editor, please make sure you follow the steps correctly. In case if you make incorrect registry changes, there are chances that your computer may not function the way how it is supposed to function. Now, once you're on the Registry Editor, you will have to go ahead and collapse the registry key as you're seeing on the screen. You can click on the small triangle here to collapse the registry key. Now, once you're on this structure, you will have to go ahead and expand HK local machine. Under HK local machine, you will have to locate software and expand software. Under software, you will have to look for WoW 6432 node. Expand that. Under this, you will have to locate Microsoft. Again, it would be in alphabetical order. Expand Microsoft by clicking on the small triangle. Under Microsoft, you will have to look for EdgeUpdate. Once you locate EdgeUpdate, you will have to expand EdgeUpdate and then expand clients. Under clients, you will have to look for the registry key which ends with 4C5. Once you locate the registry key which ends with 7E4C5, all you have to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on delete and then click on yes. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you can go to my video description and copy the link or double click on the link to open this website. Once you're on this website, you will have to go ahead and download the WebView to runtime. Now this depends on your computer. So many of the instances it would be a 64-bit. You can click on the 64-bit. Follow the instructions on the screen. Once the download is complete, you may go ahead and install the Microsoft Edge WebView 2 on your computer. Once the WebView is being successfully installed, you can close Microsoft Edge, restart your computer and then try to launch Microsoft Teams and check if it works. In case if it works, well and good. You don't need to try the next step. Now the next step what you could do is you can try to repair your Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime on your computer. Now many times the Microsoft Edge or WebView 2 will not be visible on your system components. So you will have to enable the WebView 2 on your computer. To enable the Microsoft WebView 2 component in your system components, you will have to make some registry changes. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you will have to type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. If your registry editor is in this structure, you can use the left arrow key on your keyboard and then collapse the registry keys so that it is being listed in this structure. And like I said earlier, please make sure you're making the correct registry changes. In case if you make incorrect registry changes, there are chances that your computer may not function properly. Now, once you're on this registry editor, you will have to navigate to the registry key. So you will have to go ahead and expand HK local machine. Under HK local machine, you will have to locate for software. Under software, look for WoW 6432 node and then expand WoW 6432 node. Under WoW 6432 node, you will have to locate for Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you will have to look for Windows. Under Windows, you will have to expand and look for current version. Under current version, you will have to look for uninstall. Expand uninstall. Under uninstall, you will have to look for Microsoft Edge WebView. Once you have selected Microsoft Edge WebView, on the right hand side, you will have to locate for system component. You will have to do a right click on system component and then click on modify. Change the value from 1 to 0 and then click on OK. Close Registry Editor. Restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you can go to the installed programs. You can do a right click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Once you're on these settings, you can click on the apps. Under apps, you can go to installed apps. Once you locate installed apps, you will have to locate and identify Microsoft Edge WebView. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you locate Microsoft Edge WebView runtime, you will have to click on the three dotted lines and then click on Modify. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once this is done, you may click on repair. Wait for the repair to complete. This might take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. Once the repair is complete, you may close the window. Close this window, restart your computer, and then try to open Microsoft Teams. You should be able to open Microsoft Teams. So all this steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still not able to open Microsoft Teams, please leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.